India seems to have emerged from its currency crisis and is once again a favorite among foreign investors. But as Madiha Mujawa finds out, that comes with its own set of problems.
Foreign institutions have parked $17.4 billion in Indian equities this year, as the government relaxed investment rules to repair the country's deteriorating economy. While that's helped to stem a sharp drop in the currency, opening investment channels has also brought unwelcome swings in the markets.
I don't like FII money especially, for this very reason. Comes up, stock market goes up. Rupee strengthens. Goes back, the reverse happens. I need domestic investment and FDI. That can't disappear. That's what makes a country great, not FII money.
Growth opportunities in Indian markets are less apparent to domestic investors, which have fled the share market and, for many companies, taken their capital-raising efforts abroad.
I am not advocating that FIIs should not be there, but what we need to do is that we need to ensure that there is a balance from domestic institutions as well as retail investors.
The domestic mutual fund industry has failed to revive investor sentiment. As a solution, the market regulator SEBI has urged the government to allow pension money which is otherwise lying idle to be invested.
Today, the mutual fund industry is not able to raise as much money as it should be. Fresh money is not coming. My own request to the government has been, domestic asset management industry can develop only when you allow pension money to be invested in the market.
But the core problem is India's own structural issues, including a wide trade deficit and an inability to withstand external shocks.
India should become sustainable by itself. You know, why should our rupee be decided whether foreign investment is pulling out or not? If we have our own strong exports, we wouldn't worry about that. So there's a lot of work that we have to do internally.
A sharp decline in the Indian currency has also worked well for foreign investors. Moreover, the present macroeconomic pressures and heavy debt pile of Indian companies has also opened doors for foreign capital. The government too has had several meetings with FIIs assuring them of a better growth structure, and that seems to have worked. Madiha Mujawar, Channel News Asia, Mumbai.